Hey, welcome to our affiliate page for the release of our upcoming software launch, PhotoVibrance. This is set to be one of the biggest launches of the year, with a first-to-market 3D photo animation software combined with an incredible sales funnel and over $20,000 in cash prizes up for grabs. Now, we've already tested the sales page on an internal promo we ran in March, and it converted extremely well, generating over $100,000 in sales from just 7 emails. So you can be confident that this is an in-demand product that your subscribers will love, and will be a great promotion that you won't want to miss. So scroll down and view our full launch details below, and make sure to mark the 8th of June on your calendar, as we look forward to making this one of your best promotions of the year.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. When the sun